The Zenith Labour Party flag bearer Obiora Okonkwo joined the St. Francis of Assisi parish in Okpoko to mark its 15th anniversary. The ZLP candidate was in company of his deputy, JC Balonwu, and other top officials of the party. After the morning mass, the ZLP candidate spoke about his plans for neglected communities like Okpoko.
Okpoko is a pathetic situation, it's a pathetic neighborhood. These are forgotten people. There's no sign of government presence, despite the fact that this area generates one of the biggest revenue. It is unfortunate. We've just awarded the road contract together with the parish. We'll come back soon to commission that. We have our urban renewal agenda in our 10-point agenda. Our urban renewal program will be able to take care of Okpoko. They should be blessed with a whole lot of infrastructure. Some of the people living here are already hopeless. They think their lives have been destined for it, but we don't think so. Our government will be of progress, prosperity, and these people will prosper, and a good number of them will relocate to a more prestigious neighborhood. And for those who will remain here, we're going to clean it up, we're going to organize it, and we'll make it a worthy place for people to live. So I really think that government should not only be for the rich, the poor should also benefit from it. This neighborhood will enjoy our program of free education for both primary and secondary school, and also our free primary health care program. So I think that we have studied this place. I am a son of the soil. I grew up in Onitsha. I know the glorious day of this city, including Okpoko. What I'm seeing now is pathetic, and by the special grace of God, if we win the election, we will restore the old glory of this city. Onitsha is one of the best designed cities in the world. We are going to implement it, provide the necessary infrastructures, and take the people on the right path of growth and progress. I really think that any right-thinking person will be able to know that this is time to get a fresh air. This is the time to allow somebody with vision to come in and take the affairs of the state. And in return, we'll fulfill their promise to make them proud, just for them to enjoy to the glory of God. This is a covenant between both of us. It was done inside the church. I made my promise before the altar. I have no choice.
It's like it's no man's land. When you come here, start wondering whether human beings are living here. I've been coming here. It's so pathetic. But if Dikeora is there, I know that it's going to change the situation, and I believe so. Men are coming out to vote for us. They are coming out en masse to vote for us. You will see what is going to happen. Just believe us.
The St. Francis Parish also presented an award of service and appreciation to the ZLP candidate for his contribution to uplifting humanity.
An award of appreciation for all your good works.
The ZLP candidate was also at Okuzu in Oyi local government area of Anambra State, where he was received by hundreds of his teeming supporters. The leaders in Okuzu are convinced of his capacity to govern Anambra and turn the fortunes of the people.
This time around, it's not all about party. It's not about party. What we are talking about, who are you? What you can do to your society. Okay? So we know that he can do it. He can lead Anambra State very well. I know he's a builder, and we know that he can lead Anambra State to a greater height.
Obiora Okonkwo says if elected, he will use the instrument of government to pursue policies that will better the lot of the people.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.